In the industrial production of petroleum, rubber, coatings, etc., the presence of excessive foam can hamper operational efficiency, waste equipment capacity, and affect product quality. Thus, effective foam control is critical during manufacturing. Will fumed silica enhance the defoaming and anti-foaming efficacy of silicone defoamers? Prepare 2 silicone defoamer samples. One is a control sample. The other is the test sample with added fumed silica. Add equal amounts of each sample to 2 tubes pre-filled with foam. Whereas the control sample showed delayed foam collapse, the foam rapidly dissipated upon addition of the test sample. Pour 2 foam agents into clean measuring cylinders and blow air to make foam. After complete foam collapse, the control sample was first added, followed by renewed air injection. It can be observed that the foam volume is less than the additive-free control, but the foam can still be formed in the vessel. Although the test sample generated immediate foam upon addition to the cylinder, the foam rapidly collapses after formation, preventing substantial accumulation in the measuring vessel. Addition of fumed silica to silicone defoamers effectively improves their defoaming and anti-foaming performances.